How to return item on Boohoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can return item on Boohoo. So in order to return an item on Boohoo, you'll have to first of all log in into your Boohoo account, and that's going to take you to this interface. So basically what you have to do is you have to go to the return portal. So for that, open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in boohoo.com/page/return and refund. I'm gonna make sure to leave the link as well on my description box below. Now here you'll be able to see this option as ready to return. Just go ahead and tap on create a return, and as you click on the link, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and provide in the information regarding the return. So first thing, you have to provide in the order detail and then the last 4 digits of the phone number or the email address and click on the proceed button. As you do that, it's going to provide you with the form where you have to fill out indicating that what sort of details you need to enter in and what items you have to and what is the reason for returning the item. So go through it, and that's basically how you can return your product on Boohoo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.